Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool original style Mickey Mouse telephone. This is George's equipment from Florida, and this is the initial checkout of this cool telephone. And George kept the upper half of Mickey. There was no need to ship that part. There's nothing wrong with the upper unit. And so we have the base unit, and we know the problem is in the base. And he's having an issue with no receive. And he's got a note here, and back in 2014, we installed the Polarity Protect circuit for George, and that issue is not the same issue as we have now with the receive. So he's having a hard time hearing people when he tries to use the telephone. And we've troubleshooted this unit a little bit, and we know that our handset cord is good. We also know that our receive capsule is good. Our modular port plug for the handset cord is good. So what we want to do is we want to troubleshoot the path of the receive side of this telephone, and that's going to run through the keypad, the network, and so we want to troubleshoot those issues. So we want to go ahead and start our troubleshooting process. We'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the repair of this really cool original style Mickey Mouse telephone. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we are finished up with the repair of this Mickey Mouse telephone, and the issues were resolved. Now we're ready to start our final checkout, and we want to mention our amplified pickup. We use this in troubleshooting, repairing, and on our final checkouts. It's amplified so that you can hear the audio from a receiver. And I have an amplifier back by the video. It has a button on it, and when I press the button, I can give dial tone or take it away at any time. And since it's an open amplifier, it is prone to any static interference or noise in the atmosphere. And I'm going to go ahead and press the button. You may hear a little bit of an electrical hum. I'll release it, press it one more time, and release it. It's pretty quiet today, so if you hear any noise, it will be coming from the amplifier and not the telephone. Now what we want to do is we want to go ahead and plug our line cord in. That seized the analyzer. We want to give you some dial tone. Now we can walk through our numbers. If you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. I'm going to end in a 2. Now I want to transmit into the handset. If you watch that red light on the analyzer, every time you see that red light light up, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello. We can go ahead and hang our unit up. Now what we want to do is hold the hook switch down, and we're going to use the analyzer and send a ring cycle, so we'll start that. We'll let that go a few times. I'll let it go one more time and we'll give you some dial tone. We can go ahead and pull our line cord, because now that we know that this unit is ringing in on a ring cycle, it's dialing out, we have transmit and receive, we can push this button on the switch box. That gives us a line out, totally takes the analyzer out of the situation, and we can call a time and temp number. So we'll go ahead and give you some dial tone. and we'll call that number.
Today is Sunday, April 16th. The current time, 5:25 p.m. and the temperature, 72 degrees.
We can go ahead and hang up. We'll call another number. We'll call my number, and it'll be busy. Give you some dial tone. And we'll make that call. We can go ahead and hang our telephone up. Now that we know that this really cool original style Mickey Mouse telephone has been repaired, we can return it to George and he can enjoy Mickey once again. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching and have a great day.